cool museum.
Yeah, man, Bobcat pretty dope.
The Museum of Natural History is now closing in 5 minutes.
Well, we should probably bounce.
Yeah.
Alright guys, stick to the plan. Meet in the cave in 15 minutes. Go hide.
Got it.
Okay, security team, please make your final rounds. The Museum of Natural History is now closed. Please make your way steps.
Alright, we're all locked up. Making our rounds now. And then she swung a bat, and he caught it! Remember that one time whenever the bathrooms got locked off? There was a tornado.
Yeah.
And then there was this guy dressed in all white, and he killed a guy that looked just like you. Crazy. That's just...
Alright, so we need to take something valuable. I saw something cool on the second floor.
I saw something cool by the buffalo.
Alright, so you need to be the distraction for the security guards. Got it?
Got it.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, break.
Break!
So it all started when my friend Gus, he stole his famous person's hat and like a bunch of fries on his wall.
There's motion hallway number 4.
On our way now.
There's nothing here.
No.
You gotta go back there.
I'm not going back.
Yes, you are. I'm not going back there.
You better go
No,
back.
I'm not.
going
No,
back.
you're going back. I'm not going back there. You gotta go. No, you go. Wait, alligators.
That wasn't an alligator.
She's over there. Oh. Gotcha. Let's go.
You're under arrest for theft.
We can arrest people?
Hopefully.
You don't have a warrant. You don't have a warrant.
Nope.
I did not find anything. I looked everywhere.
I got this.
Oh my god, that is awesome. Where's Nye?
I don't know. We're not going to worry about her.
Alright, let's do it without her.
Tickety Talk, Steal from a Museum Challenge.
You're doing great!
right, girls, y'all are done.
What do we do?
Y'all are under arrest for theft.
Let's go.
No. No.
Let's go, girls. Come on. Come on, let's go.
Let me go! Let me go!
Amateurs. Gotta note they keep the most expensive stuff in the back, man. Let's get out of here.
Wolfus!